Hi, I'm Tara from Living in Happy Place and the Happy Mom System. And since the weekend's coming and we're probably all going to be catching up on cleaning like we do every week, I thought I'd give you a few tips to help you get motivated when you don't feel like cleaning, but you know there's a few things you have to do. Number one, AirPods. Put on some music, put on an audiobook. If you have to catch up on some Netflix, throw them in your ears and make the best of it. If you have to dance around the house while you're sweeping, perfect. Kids will get a kick out of it. They might even want to join in. You'll forget your cleaning. And actually, you usually end up getting a lot more done because you kind of forget about what you're doing and you get into your music. Even when I do the dishes, I throw my phone up on the counter where I keep the dishes there when I'm washing over the sink, and I can catch on my Netflix. So that's tip number one. Tip number two, pick 3 things in the house that you can do that would make you feel like your house is clean. Instead of worrying about cleaning everything and overwhelming yourself, just pick 3 things that make you feel like if you look around, the house feels clean. Usually it's the dishes. If you've got dishes on the counter, it's frustrating. So pick something like that. Once the dishes are done and the counter is clean and you look around, it will help you feel less frustrated and stressed that your entire house is a mess when actually it's probably just a few little things. As moms, we tend to feel overwhelmed, but when we break it down, it's really just a few tasks. You can get it done really quick, right? Okay. Number 3 is have a plan, so you're not always cleaning. We use our clean and declutter plan in the Happy Mom System, but any way you do it, you're just gonna have an idea of what you're gonna clean and when. The number one thing this does is take away that overwhelm, because looking around makes you feel like everything needs clean. But once you break it down into little tasks, it doesn't seem so bad. Small, manageable parts. So once you have a plan, then you're not always cleaning or worrying about when you're gonna get to it, because you know when you're gonna get to it, you already have a plan. Whether you have a plan or you're able to use these 3 tips, I hope you have a great weekend and don't spend it cleaning.